lights with fiery hues at dusk's approach. Golden waves touch the shore where our dreams have their start. The breeze carries whispers, secrets only hearts can interpret, guiding us gently through the night's winding path. A serenade from the setting sun illuminates our journey, chasing the shadows, watching them gracefully sway. Infinite colors dance in the amber glow. Seize this fleeting moment, let it burn brightly. Infinite colors dance in the amber glow. Seize this fleeting moment, let it burn brightly. Footprints vanish where the ocean kisses the sand. Your laughter becomes a melody, the world's wild ensemble. The stars look on enviously at our carefree dance. We move with the tide beneath the moon's gentle rise. A serenade from the setting sun illuminates our journey, chasing the shadows, watching them gracefully sway. Infinite colors dance in the amber glow. Seize this fleeting moment, let it burn brightly. Every shade captures emotions we've longed for. Every brushstroke writes a new story, sealed with a kiss. In this love without limits, time cannot rob us, for what is meant to endure shall forever last. We traverse time without the need for maps, discovering treasures in the joy of shared laughter. The horizon holds secrets, tales yet to be told, as twilight envelops us in its golden warmth. A serenade from the setting sun illuminates our journey, chasing the shadows, watching them gracefully sway. Infinite colors dance in the amber glow. Seize the fleeting moment, let it burn bright blue. In the gentle glow of twilight's embrace, we linger, savoring the leisurely pace. Echoes of laughter blend with the whispering waves, a promise of eternity where love is timelessly engraved. Fade out. Underneath the velvet night, stars are winking, shining bright. Whispers of the cosmos grace, guiding us in their embrace. Stars, stars in the midnight sky, dreams and wishes passing by. In their glow, we find our way, lighting up the night's ballet. Constellations tell a tale of love and hope that never fades.